Hello everyone, this is Beijing NUBWAY Beauty Equipment Manufacturer, and this is our latest Cryolipolysis slimming machine for whole body fat reduction, and with 4 handle pieces can work simultaneously. That means work together at the same time. And you can see there are 4 sizes of the handles here, and handle A is the large size, handle B is the medium size, handle C is small size, and double chain is the handle D. For double chain fat reduction is small size one, and 4 handles. And this machine also have emergency stop button. This handle is for hold on the client's hands during the treatments. If anything emergency happens and any uncomfortable feeling, you can press this, then the handle will stop working. So it's for safety of the treatments. Hung here. Yeah, this machine can let all 4 handles work together at the same time, so you can treat different parts of the body treatments and different clients, several clients at the same time. This machine. Now let us introduce the 4 handle size for the whole body treatments. You know, handle A, you see this one. Handle A is the largest size, very large size. This handle A is for the abdomen. Here, like this. See? Stack here, the abdomen here. Or if the client is fat enough, you can stack here also. The navel, near the navel. Here, like this. See? Here also okay. Or stack here. Like this. See? Like this. So, do here. Or here. Or here. Is use handle A. Is handle A here. The second handle is the handle B. It's a medium size. Handle B is a medium size one. It's for circumferential and abdomen here also. See, handle B. We do the handle B here. Normally we use 2 handle B. Do together. Do here and here. So use 2 handle B. Here and here together. Do the treatments. Stack 2 areas like this. Or you can also stack here and here. The upper abdomen and here. See? Do here or here at the same time. This is handle B, the middle size. And this is the handle C. The handle C is the small size one for the arms and legs and the thighs here. Handle C. You can see the handle C, the handle is flat, right? It's very easy to suck the arms and thighs. For example, we suck the arms here, here, suck here, here. And you can buy 2 handle C because we can do the handle C at the same time. 2 arms, here and here, suck 2 together can achieve the balanced results. This is handle C. Handle C can also do the back fat reduction, the backpack C here, and love handles here, and the thighs and shanks here. So no matter which the fat cells is, if can sucked, then can do the treatments. For example, I'll see the model here. We can see the backs here. We have the fat cells here, the fat cells here, here, and here, right? All have the fat tissues here. So we can use this one. For example, here, we suck like this. And here, like this. Here also have the fat tissue. So we suck like this. And this one, have this, you can see, have this. So we suck here. The block handles here. So we can suck like this. So we can use 2 handle C. And handle C also can do the size and shank here. For example, you can suck like this, here, like this. Suck the fat cells inside here. And also we can suck like this, here, the middle. And also the inner parts of the sides here. Like this, suck like this. Yeah. So, do here, and do here. Also we can do the shanks here. If the shank here also have the fat cells, then we can use this handle to suck here. Right? The handle C can do the whole backs the abdomens and love handles, the thighs and shanks. And now let us introduce the interface of cryolipolysis linear machine. It's enter. You will see 4 handles here and 2 operation modes, automatic and manual. Automatic means you only need to measure the fat thickness of the fat of the clients. After you measure the fat thickness here, then the cooling temperature and the working time are already set automatically by the machine. If you are first to use this machine and not very experienced, so we suggest you can use the automatic mode. It's easy operation. For example, we use this. For example, that client is the fat thickness is less than 20 millimeter. So we use this, and then we next. Handle A here. Handle A here, so we can use section energy here, and the working time. The working time already set well by the machine. You can see the temperature also set well. So very easy operation. Also, we can use the manual mode. The manual mode means that all the parameters, cooling temperature and working time are adjusted by ourselves according to our experience. The manual mode, for example, handle A here. We handle A, you can see the interface. This is water flow speed, means how fast the water tank and here is working can to test the machine normally working. And intensity means the energy of the section when you do the treatments. So we can adjust the intensity from 0 kPa to 100 kPa maximum 100. And the working time is how long minutes of the handle working on skin from 0 minutes to 30 1 hour minutes. You see, you can adjust it yourself here. And the temperature means the cooling temperature of the handle. We can adjust from 5 degrees to -15. Our minimum, you can see, is -15 degrees. And this is a real-time temperature, which means after we set the cooling temperature of the handle, the need time of the real skin cooling temperature means the treatment temperature here. So 2 temperatures is very similar, it's good redox. And you can see here, there is a heat. The heat means before the cooling treatments, we have 3 minutes warming on the skin to promote the blood circulation better. That can promote the redox is better and comfortable before cooling. So we turn on the heat, then we turn on. The handle will begin working. Stop. It's working. This is the interface introduction. Treatments, we need to measure the fat thickness using this ruler. I measure the thickness before and after the treatments. We also measure again and to record the how many centimeters his fat thickness here. Because we need to make comparison of before and after. One session to see the results. And before and after, we need to take pictures to make comparison and to have a report every time for the clients here. And after we measure this, we need to keep the safety. So we need to measure the heart rate. And after we use the ruler, we need to use this one to measure the fat thickness. Then we can know how many cooling temperatures and time we set on the interface. So here, then for example we do here. Then we use this one. Here, you can see the fat thickness. So here is 30 centimeter is here, millimeter is here. So we measure the fat thickness first. Then we can set parameters on the interface. Use this one. Before we do the cryolipolysis linear treatments, we need to make safety of the clients. So we use this test to test the heart beat speed. So we let the finger press here in like this. Then we press here. Start. Then we need to wait 30 seconds. Wait testing. Okay, now we can see this number here. If this number is between 60 to 120, it's normal. Means that these clients can do the treatments. Again, if this number between 60 to 120 can do these treatments. If not, means that these clients now cannot do the treatments. So ensure the safety of the clients. Okay. Now let us do the treatments on the model. And before we do the treatments, we need to introduce and use this anti-freezing membrane. Anti-freezing membrane is for protect the skin not be frozen. And so before the treatments, we need to apply this on the treatment tissue and need to cover all the treatment tissue well protected. And also this membrane is consumable. So every time one treatment, one handle, one membrane cannot recycle used. Okay, now let us apply the membranes on the treatment tissue here and here. Like this one. And cover all the treatment tissues. Apply uniform. The membranes need to apply very uniform. Practice. This here. 现在我们铺第二边呢，先做一边了。你那边还多少？多少呢？ And also, this hand, we also need a new membrane. You can see the two membranes cover very uniform on the whole treatment tissue, right? So the handle for here is covered by the anti-freezing membranes here, very uniform like this. After we apply two pieces of anti-freezing membranes on the treatment tissue for protection here, then the second step is to apply a layer of plastic wrap. The plastic wrap is mainly for protect the liquid of anti-freezing membranes flow into the handle. So it's a protection for the lifetime of the handle piece. Okay, now let's apply this. This one named plastic wrap. We cover on the treatment tissue. like this, the liquid in the 19 membranes will not flow out or here. For his abdomen, we use two handle B, B1 and B2, do here and here. Before we do the treatments, we need to use this, the foam circle. The foam circle is to circle here, a suction hole. We need to cover the suction hole here, like this. The foam its purpose is to protect the dirty things or liquid flow into the suction hole and flow here. So it's to protect the handle piece. So every time need to change one treatment and one new foam change and to protect here. And now before we do the treatments, for example, do the model here. We normally use 40 or to 60 minutes, depends on the fat thickness of the model. This time we use 45 minutes. And the cooling temperature, if for this fat thickness we use -5 or -10, cannot lower than -10, is okay. And the suction energy, we normally use high suction energy to suck the fatty cells in, and the fatty cells need to be full of the whole handle because the cooling place is here. So let more fatty cells closely touch the cooling place. Cooling place is here, so cooling here. So suck more fatty cells inside. Use minimum suction intensity to suck most fatty cells is the best results. Okay, now we can do the treatment start here. We adjust interface. And we start the machine, it's enter. And this time we use manual mode. We do B1 and B2. So we adjust the parameters here. The intensity, for example, we use 60 kPa to use high intensity to suck more fatty cells inside. Work time, we use 45. 45 minutes is enough. And cooling temperature, we use -8. -8. And heating is on. 3 minutes warming on the treatment tissue to promote blood circulation. Then we can on. After we turn on, then we put the handle immediately on the tissue to warming. Okay. On. After we set parameters well, the model is here, so we let the model half sit like this. So you can see, if he like this, his fatty cells all squeezed together. It's easy to be sucked. We use handle B2 and on and warming. So we suck here. You will see the fatty cells, wow, to be sucked now. Full. Okay. You can see the fatty cells all be sucked inside. See? The fatty cells. Okay. Whether painful. Okay. Very comfortable feeling. So you can see the handle. The fatty cells all be sucked here, so it's very good. And after 10 seconds or 20 seconds after suck, then we can reduce the energy little by little, little by little. Let the customers feel very comfortable. So we can reduce. Now it's 60 kPa, and now we reduce the suction energy to 50. Because after the fatty cells sucked inside, will not lose, so we lower the suction intensity, let the skin more comfortable. Then we reduce again to 40 kPa now. You will see after I reduce the suction energy, the skin always sucked inside, will not lose. And then now we reduce to 30. So now it's 30 kPa. It's very safe and very comfortable. No need to reduce anymore. Now we leave the handle. It's working in itself. It's okay. The right is red light means warming. Okay, now it's turned to blue color. Blue color means already began cooling. So now it's cooling. Okay, we use another handle B to suck the other side of the abdomen. You can see the interface here. We can add and reduce its intensity on the interface too. And here is the button. When we press this, the handle always can work in stop suction. So you can adjust parameters in the interface of the handle and also the machine. Also okay. And now we put the handle here like this. Leave a distance. Use this handle and this handle, because if you do like this, then the fatty cells is not enough to be sucked. So we do here. And then we can press here. Start. You can see the fatty cells now sucked in the handle. Yeah. Try best to suck more fatty cells inside, because the fatty cells will touch the cooling place here. Then the cooling temperature will penetrate into the handle, into the fatty cells, can achieve better results. The treatment principle is use minimum suction energy to suck maximum fatty cells. At the beginning, we use high intensity. Then we lower, little by little. Can let the customers feel more comfortable feeling, not painful. Okay, now you can see the handle piece interface. Now it's 60 kPa, right? It's 60 kPa. After we suck inside, then we can lower. There is a lock. We need unlock here. Then we can reduce 50 kPa. Because if lower intensity, the skin will feel comfortable, not painful pressed. Now 50. After 50, 10 seconds later, then we reduce to 40. Yeah. Even now, we use lower intensity. The fatty cells always be full sucked inside. Now we wait 10 seconds later. Then we reduce to 30. Yeah, 30 kPa. Use 30 kPa is very safe parameter suction energy, so no need change. If the customer also feel, oh my god, it's a little bit painful, then you can reduce to 20. But normally we use 30, it's okay. Then we can lock here. Then no matter we touch, the parameters will now change. Okay, now we can let the customers do the treatments themselves. Now pay attention. During treatments, we let the client hold emergency stop button, because if anything emergency and uncomfortable he feels, he can press. There is a button. You can press here. If pressed, then the handle will stop working immediately. So keep the safety of the clients. You can hold this. You can hold this. It's okay. So like this, you can hold this. Whether you feel comfortable, yeah, comfortable. For example, if we do the arms here, then we also first step apply the membranes here. Cover the whole treatment tissue, and use the plastic wrap to cover the membrane. Then we use handle C. The handle C here, the flat direction, to suck like this. Here, like this. And then the fatty cells will be squeezed inside. So suck here, because where the fatty cells is, if you can, be sucked, then treatment here. Okay, this is D handle. This D handle is for the double chain and accessory breast reduction. See the handle D. After we also use the anti-freezing membrane to cover the double chain here, and use plastic wrap to cover the membrane. Then we here like this, hold this. Then we suck the fatty cells here, right? Then the fatty cells will be sucked into the handle like this. Or if the fatty cells is enough here, then we also can start here, right? And here, like this, right? And also for women, the breast is here, and there is breast accessories here. If the fat cells is enough, then we can start like this. Here, start here. Here is also okay. And we use 2 double chain here to start this area, here and here. This is handle D.
简单一下，我开玩手机你拍一个，
对，
说比较舒适，客户。
Okay, now already 45 minutes passed. So the 2 handles already stopped working. You can see the LED light already no light here. Also this handle also no light. So already finished treatments. And then we move the handle out. And then we press here a little bit. Then we softly move the handle out. Like this. Also this handle, press here a little bit. And softly, because now the fat cells is fragile after frozen. So we softly move out the handle. You can see remove this plastic wrap and remove the anti-freezing membranes. You can see a little bit reddish, and this is normal. And now we do the massage, softly massage like this. You can feel now it's frozen. It's cold here. Not painful because it's not painful, just a little bit cold. And then we do massage to promote blood circulation. After 5 minutes massage here, you will feel the treatment tissue not very cold and very comfortable feeling. It's okay. And clean the treatment tissue is okay. And after we do a 5 minutes massage here, you will feel not very cold. And then we use the normal, not hot water, normal temperature towel to clean the treatment area. Need very softly touch here is okay. Very softly clean like this. Because the fragile now is very fragile, so we cannot very rudely touch it. Clean here, and also here. Like this, softly touch, clean. And you will see a little bit reddish here, right? A little bit reddish. And normally after 2 and 3 hours later, then the reddish will disappear itself. And no any downtime. You can do everything after treatments. It's okay. The reddish is okay. And also we need attention. After treatments, within 1 week, you cannot use go to massage and a very hot room or hot temperature do any massage here. Cannot do massage on the treatment tissue here. And also better drink more water every day after treatments, because the water can promote the blood circulation and body metabolism. The fatty cells will be removed with the metabolism speed. And also we suggest can keep a little bit exercises better to promote metabolism. Cannot eat the hot or spicy food or drink beers during 1 week. After 1 week, you can do everything. Okay. And also, you can use normal water, not very hot water to wash to take a shower, because now it's cold. If very hot water touch here, it's a conflict, right? Okay, like this. And for now we talk some information about treatment sessions and results. Normally we suggest in total do 6 to 8 sessions in total. For example, if one day, if they will do treatments, after 30 or 45 days later, we do a second session. One session, one treatment, we cannot more than 3 handles. If this time we use 1, 2, 3 handles, is enough, cannot be more. If more than 3 handles, the metabolism maybe cannot bear it. So with just 3 handles. And one treatment we suggest not more than 60 minutes. Normally we use 45 to 50 minutes for one handle. It's okay. After 40 or 45 days, we do second session. We can see very effective results. Normally after three sessions or 2 or 3 sessions, you can see 3 to 5 centimeter fat thickness be reduced after 3 sessions. Can see very effective results of treatment tissue is here. So we suggest you can take before and after pictures every time and make a comparison. And okay, everybody, now the day our treatment is finished, and this is our latest cryolipolysis living machine with 4 handle pieces, do whole body fat reduction. And see you later.